Hey, this is Jake from Topsy Farms with your Tuesday morning booty call. And here she is waiting. It's sweet Boudica. Hi, baby. Do you want to say hi to everyone? Yes. You did a good job keeping the sheep safe. Today is one of those days on the farm where everything just looks beautiful. We had a big snowfall last night. All the trees are coated in snow, all the barns and the other buildings. And it's just so pretty. Oh, is that one of your friends? Did you know that the guardian dogs talk to each other? We can hear them at night communicating. The dogs just heard something they don't like. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Today they're just sort of barking and letting each other know where they are. While the dogs do work as individuals, they also work as a team. Hey, come over here, I need backup. Or woof woof, there's something in the woods that I can hear. Their particular barks communicate to the sheep as well. So if one of the dogs barks a particular way, the sheep might all gather to the middle of the field where one dog will kind of circle and protect them while the other dog or dogs will go and do a perimeter sweep of the forest. They'll kind of go around, see what they can sniff. It's Boudica and Atka. These guys were working together last night. What good teamwork you have. What good teamwork. Atka is very young and very playful still, aren't you? Oh, you just turned 2. What hugs. What lovely hugs. Hey, buddy. This is Teamwork Tuesday with Boudica and Atka. Hi, sweeties. Did you guys keep the sheep safe? Did you work together? Did you have good teamwork? Did you have good teamwork? Yes, I bet you did. Oh, did you teamwork? Did you teamwork? Oh, hi, guys. Well, good morning, sweet Boudica. How are you today? Did you do a nice job keeping the sheep safe? I bet you did.